Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use quick access on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So quick access has changed a little. Now it is called home. It may be set at the home page. It may be set at the this PC page. Okay. In both of these cases, I will help you. Click on these three dots at the top corner and select options. Now check the boxes here, click on apply and then on OK, and it will enable quick access. Okay, so this is how you can enable quick access. And now it also mentions quick access here, and now you will be able to access the latest documents that you have opened. So this is how you can use quick access. Obviously you can right click on them, delete them, remove them to the list, add to favorites and all. For example, I can remove this one from the list. So this is just one way. And if you click on these three dots and select options, you also have the option to keep this PC as the home page, I mean the main page, the entry page, or home as the entry page. Okay, and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.